Here we go. Whoops. What's going on, Daytona fans? Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be changing the oil. I've gone on some road trips, gone to the drag strip, and now it's time to take out the old oil, put in the new. And when I'm done, it's going to look like an Evo. It's going to drive like an Evo. And you know what? It's going to be all-wheel drive all of a sudden. So let's get the oil change going. So of course we have our 5W20 oil. I have that right there. I have my tools and my creepy bag that holds all the tools. Of course it is creepy, that's why I hold on to it and use it. Anyway, I got the car propped up on these ramps. Get these ramps, guys. Jack stands are garbage. These ramps are so easy. You just drive up and that's it. What the is this? All right, while walking around, I just realized that my wheels got scratched. The tire here is a little bit peeled, and it all was because I took it to a touchless car wash. I don't know how this happens. It's supposed to be touchless, but somehow it touched my car and molested it. So now I got to get it repaired. Another expense that I didn't really want to spend money on, but you know what, it happened, so fudge pops. Anyway, back to the oil change. At least I'll be at Evo after I'm done with this. All right, so just like last time, we have 4 10mm bolts, and that's going to remove this plastic shield. That'll give us access to the oil pan and the oil filter. So I'm going to put this down, get these bolts out, and show you what it looks like. All right, the shield's off. Here's the oil pan. Up there is the oil filter. Now, if you guys remember from my previous video, I put an easy drain plug in here, and we're going to see how effective that is. So this little blue thing is kind of like a lock for this spring here. And all you got to do is just remove it. Now we're ready to empty the oil. No dirty drain plug, no mess, hopefully. Probably a mess on my face, but that's all right. Okay. Here we go. Whoops. Huh. Well, that worked out great. Probably should have seen that coming. Idiot move number 2. Yay. All right, so instead of getting that mineral oil treatment, you could just use motor oil on your skin. Give you that nice shine. Just let it absorb, and you'll look young forever at the expense of probably losing your skin and arm and everything else. So, hey, lesson learned. Don't be like Kevin. Don't be an idiot. Figure out where the nozzle is before you drench yourself and dirty the floor. All right, looks like it's finally done. You can see in there. So now all we got to do is dry up this valve and close it up. So actually I'm going to close it up first. So all we have to do is lift, bring it back over, and now it's closed. I'm going to dry up the oil, and that's it. That's all there is to emptying the oil. Now he's got to do the filter. You know, this thing's awesome, I have to say. Let me just find the blue plug. Here's that blue plug. And there we go. Keeps it locked in. That way it doesn't go over. All right, so now we're going to put the filter back in. You don't want to do it dry. Nobody likes it dry, so you're going to lube it up. You're going to stick your finger right in here. See that? Nice little coating. And she's good to go. Nobody likes it dry, remember that. You guys are disgusting.
Make sure you get the old ring off, the old gasket.
Yep, a lesson from my friend. Make sure the old gasket's out. The great thing about the oil filter is that it only has to be hand tight. Bloop, 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 bloop. 7 quarts. I'll be an Evo soon. All right, Daytona fans, I didn't turn into an Evo. What happened was another charger came out when I changed my oil, so I guess that's a win too. But maybe one day when I use conventional oil or just put coolant in, something will happen. But one day, Evo dreams. If you guys want me to do a video on the Evo or that white charger, just leave a comment in the section below. And I guess until next time, I'll see you all. Okay, bye. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't talk right now. Okay, that's it. That's enough.